in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can use automation to send LinkedIn connection invites in bulk. The name of the tool we're going to be using is Bindago, and the website URL is bindago.com. I'm going to leave a link to it in the comments. And to get started, you want to come to the website, of course, and download the app. Click the download button. They have a free trial, 10-day free trial. You can basically download and use the app for 10 days without providing credit card or anything. You need to download the app because it only works on the computer. So you click the download button and you want to select a platform that applies to you. I already have the app downloaded and installed on my computer, so I'm gonna skip this step. But once you have it installed, you're gonna launch it and see a screen that looks like this, which is a login screen. So you're gonna basically click the login with browser button to connect your LinkedIn account. And once that it's done, it's going to load up a page looking like this. That's basically the app. To validate that it's your account loaded, you can basically, well, of course, your profile picture is going to show up here, but you can come to the lead list to see your LinkedIn connections, your existing LinkedIn connections. Essentially, if you wanna automate a new bulk connection request, you want to come to the network connections tab and click the button send bulk connections. It has various input methods for you to basically provide the list of profiles you want to send connections to. So, for example, if you have a Sales Navigator account, you can use a Sales Navigator lead list. If you have a custom list that you've already uploaded to the app, you can select that, or you can just basically paste a list of profile URLs. So I'm going to click that list of profile URLs and paste them here. So you can see the profile URLs and you can see that it basically grabs the usernames here. You can paste as much as 1,000 profile URLs. And we're gonna go on to compose our connection request message. So hello, first name, would love to connect. And once that is done, you can basically just start the connection request. And it just basically starts running like this. And once it starts running, you can always come back to pause it. If any of them fails, you can retry and whatnot. I hope you found this useful. Cheers.